10 vitamins that unclog arteries. Clogged arteries, also known as atherosclerosis, are a medical condition in which the arteries become narrowed and hardened. This happens due to the accumulation of fatty deposits, cholesterol, calcium, and other substances on the inner walls of the arteries. This buildup, called plaque, can restrict blood flow to vital organs and tissues, leading to various health problems. The development of clogged arteries typically occurs over many years and is a result of multiple factors. Symptoms of clogged arteries can vary depending on the location and severity of the blockage. One of the symptoms can be chest pain or angina. This is often described as a tightness, pressure, squeezing, or burning sensation in the chest. It may radiate to the neck, jaw, shoulder, back, or arm, typically the left arm. Chest pain may occur during physical activity or stress and often improves with rest. Another symptom is a shortness of breath. Reduced blood flow to the heart can lead to difficulty in breathing, especially during physical exertion or when lying flat. A feeling of fatigue can be a symptom. Reduced blood flow to the heart muscle can result in fatigue or a feeling of weakness. In severe cases, reduced blood flow to the brain can cause dizziness, lightheadedness, or even loss of consciousness. Some people may experience nausea, cold sweats, or clamminess when they have clogged arteries, especially during angina episodes. Some individuals with clogged arteries may not experience noticeable symptoms until the condition becomes severe, or leads to a heart attack or stroke. This is why preventive measures are crucial for early detection and management. Diet plays a significant role in the development of plaque in the arteries. Consuming a diet high in saturated fats, trans fats, and cholesterol, and low in fruits and vegetables can contribute to the accumulation of plaque. This accumulation of plaque leads to the development of atherosclerosis, which leads to clogged arteries. A diet rich in certain vitamins and nutrients can contribute to heart health, and potentially reduce the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. Next, we'll discover vitamins and nutrients for heart health, and that can help support clean arteries. Vitamin number 1 is vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that offers several potential benefits for cardiovascular health. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that can help neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage, including damage to the walls of arteries. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin C can help protect arteries from damage and inflammation. Vitamin C plays a role in the production of collagen, a protein that provides structural support to blood vessels. Adequate vitamin C levels are necessary for maintaining the integrity and elasticity of blood vessel walls. Healthy blood vessels are less prone to plaque buildup and atherosclerosis. Studies show that vitamin C supplementation can help lower blood pressure. Lowering blood pressure is essential for reducing the risk of heart disease and maintaining clean arteries. Vitamin C may help reduce the oxidation of low-density, lipoprotein cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. Oxidized LDL cholesterol is more likely to contribute to arterial plaque formation. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables can provide an abundance of this vitamin, along with other beneficial nutrients and fiber. Aim to include fruits such as oranges, strawberries, and kiwi, and vegetables such as bell peppers, broccoli, and spinach. Vitamin number 2 is vitamin D. Adequate levels of vitamin D are important for overall cardiovascular health. Studies suggest that low vitamin D levels are associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. Adequate levels of vitamin D are important for various physiological processes, including the regulation of calcium and phosphorus absorption in the gut, bone health, and immune function. Research suggests that low vitamin D levels may be associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. Vitamin D may have a role in blood pressure regulation, Maintaining adequate vitamin D levels may help reduce the risk of high blood pressure, which is a significant risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Vitamin D has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a known contributor to the development and progression of atherosclerosis. Studies suggest that sufficient vitamin D levels may help reduce inflammation and promote arterial health. Maintaining adequate vitamin D levels is important for overall health, and it can have potential benefits for cardiovascular health. Vitamin D is unique among vitamins because your body can produce it when your skin is exposed to sunlight, and it is important to get regular sunlight exposure. Vitamin D is found in some foods, such as fatty fish, cod liver oil, egg yolks, mushrooms, fortified foods, cheese, and beef liver. Try to include salmon, mackerel, trout, sardines, shiitake, or maitake mushrooms, fortified milk and cereals into your diet. Vitamin number 3 is vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is an important nutrient with a role in calcium metabolism. It plays a specific role in preventing calcium from accumulating in the arteries, and potentially contributing to plaque formation. Vitamin K2 is essential for the activation of certain proteins in the body, particularly a group known as vitamin K-dependent proteins. One of these proteins is osteocalcin, which helps regulate calcium in the bones and teeth. Another important vitamin K-dependent protein is matrix GLA, which inhibits the deposition of calcium in soft tissues like arteries and cartilage. Matrix GLA protein is produced in vascular smooth muscle cells and cartilage. One of the primary roles of vitamin K2 in the body is to inhibit the deposition of calcium in soft tissues like arteries and cartilage. This function helps maintain the proper distribution of calcium, ensuring that it goes where it's needed, such as bones and teeth. It also prevents its accumulation in places where it can be detrimental, like arterial walls and joints, by inhibiting the buildup of calcium in soft tissues. Vitamin K2 contributes to overall cardiovascular health, and helps prevent conditions like arterial calcification and atherosclerosis. It's important to distinguish between vitamin K1 and vitamin K2, as they have different roles in the body. While vitamin K1 is primarily involved in blood clotting and is found in green leafy vegetables, vitamin K2 is involved with bone health and the prevention of arterial calcification. Vitamin K2 is found in fermented foods such as natto, cheeses such as Gouda and Brie, and fermented vegetables like sauerkraut. It can also be found in small amounts in meats and dairy products. Maintaining an adequate intake of vitamin K2 through a balanced diet can contribute to cardiovascular health and help prevent calcium buildup in the arteries. Vitamin number 4 is vitamin B. B vitamins, specifically vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and vitamin B9, play a crucial role in the regulation of homocysteine levels in the blood. Elevated levels of homocysteine are associated with an increased risk of atherosclerosis, which is the hardening and narrowing of arteries due to the accumulation of plaque. Vitamin B6 is involved in the conversion of homocysteine to cysteine, a process that helps lower homocysteine levels in the blood. Adequate vitamin B6 intake is important for maintaining a healthy balance of homocysteine. Vitamin B6 is found in foods like poultry, fish, bananas, potatoes, and fortified cereals. Vitamin B12 is necessary for the conversion of homocysteine to methionine, another amino acid. When there is a deficiency of vitamin B12, homocysteine levels can rise, increasing the risk of atherosclerosis. Vitamin B12 can be found in animal-based foods such as meat, fish, dairy products, and eggs. Vegans and vegetarians may need to rely on fortified foods or supplements. Vitamin B9 or folate, also known as folic acid in its synthetic form, is essential for the conversion of homocysteine to methionine. Folate deficiency can lead to elevated homocysteine levels and contribute to cardiovascular disease risk. Vitamin B9 can be found in leafy green vegetables such as spinach and broccoli, legumes such as lentils and chickpeas, as well as fortified cereals and citrus fruits. Maintaining optimal levels of these B vitamins in your diet can help regulate homocysteine levels, and in turn support cardiovascular health. Number 5 is omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, while not vitamins, are essential nutrients that have been extensively studied for their positive impact on heart health, and their potential to reduce the risk of arterial plaque formation. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which are found in fatty fish and fish oil supplements, have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a key contributor to the development of atherosclerosis, and omega-3s can help mitigate this inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids can lower blood triglyceride levels. Elevated triglycerides are a risk factor for heart disease, and reducing them can contribute to better cardiovascular health. Some studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids may help lower blood pressure, which is essential for maintaining clean and healthy arteries. Omega-3s can help stabilize heart rhythms and reduce the risk of abnormal heart rhythms, which can be a concern in cardiovascular disease. Omega-3s may help reduce the formation of arterial plaques by slowing down the buildup of fatty deposits in the arteries. The best dietary sources of omega-3 fatty acids are fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, trout, and herring. These fish are rich in EPA and DHA. Additionally, plant-based sources of omega-3s include flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, which contain alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Many people also choose to take fish oil supplements as a convenient way to increase their omega-3 intake. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet can contribute to maintaining clean and healthy arteries, and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Number 6 on the list is coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is a vital compound found in cells that plays several essential roles in the body. Coenzyme Q10 supports energy production and potentially contributes to the maintenance of healthy blood vessels. CoQ10 is a coenzyme involved in the production of adenosine triphosphate, which is the primary energy currency of cells. It plays a critical role in the electron transport chain within the mitochondria, where ATP is generated. Adequate levels of CoQ10 are necessary for efficient energy production in cells throughout the body. CoQ10 also acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress can contribute to the development of cardiovascular disease by damaging blood vessels and promoting inflammation. CoQ10's antioxidant properties can help counteract this damage. CoQ10 may have a role in maintaining healthy blood vessels. It can help improve endothelial function, which is the ability of the inner lining of blood vessels to regulate blood flow, dilate, and relax. Dysfunction of the endothelium is a hallmark of several cardiovascular conditions, including atherosclerosis and hypertension. Studies suggest that CoQ10 supplementation may help lower blood pressure, particularly in individuals with hypertension. Lowering blood pressure is essential for reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease and maintaining clean and healthy arteries. CoQ10 is naturally produced by the body, and it is also obtained from dietary sources, with the highest concentrations found in meat, fish, and whole grains. Additionally, CoQ10 supplements are available for those who may need to increase their intake. Moving on to number 7, we'll discover the amazing benefits of magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in various aspects of cardiovascular health. Magnesium helps to relax blood vessels and potentially reduces the risk of high blood pressure and arterial stiffness. Magnesium helps regulate vascular tone by relaxing the smooth muscle cells lining the blood vessels. This relaxation, known as vasodilation, allows the arteries to widen and reduces resistance to blood flow. This, in turn, can help lower blood pressure. Adequate magnesium intake has been associated with lower blood pressure levels. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for heart disease and can lead to the development of atherosclerosis. Arterial stiffness is a common feature of aging and is associated with increased cardiovascular risk. Magnesium may help improve arterial compliance, reducing the stiffness of the arteries and promoting healthy blood vessel function. Magnesium has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor in the development of atherosclerosis and other cardiovascular conditions. Magnesium is essential for maintaining normal heart rhythm and preventing arrhythmias. Arrhythmias are irregular heartbeats that can be associated with cardiovascular disease. Magnesium can be obtained from a variety of dietary sources, including nuts and seeds, leafy green vegetables, whole grains, legumes, fish, and dark chocolate. Try to include almonds and sunflower seeds, spinach and kale, brown rice and oats, beans and lentils, halibut and mackerel, and dark chocolate in moderation. While magnesium is available in food, some individuals may have difficulty getting sufficient magnesium through diet alone. In such cases, magnesium supplements may be recommended. Incorporating magnesium into your diet can contribute to maintaining clean and healthy arteries and overall cardiovascular well-being. Number 8 is vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect arteries from oxidative stress. It contributes to arterial health and overall cardiovascular well-being. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant, which means it can neutralize free radicals. It prevents oxidative damage to cells, including those in the walls of arteries. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin E helps maintain the structural integrity of blood vessels. Vitamin E may help protect LDL cholesterol from oxidation. When LDL cholesterol becomes oxidized, it can contribute to the development of atherosclerosis by promoting the formation of arterial plaque. Vitamin E also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can further support arterial health. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the development and progression of cardiovascular diseases, including atherosclerosis. Vitamin E can improve endothelial function, which is the ability of the inner lining of blood vessels to regulate blood flow and dilate properly. Dysfunction of the endothelium is a hallmark of cardiovascular conditions. Dietary sources of vitamin E include nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, leafy green vegetables, and fortified cereals. Try to include foods such as almonds, hazelnuts, sunflower seeds, sunflower and safflower oil, spinach, Swiss chard, and fortified cereals into your diet. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you obtain sufficient vitamin E to support arterial health and overall cardiovascular well-being. Number 9 is selenium. Selenium is another essential antioxidant that can help protect arteries from oxidative stress. Selenium is a trace mineral that serves as a critical component of antioxidant enzymes, such as glutathione peroxidase. These enzymes play a key role in neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative damage to cells, including those in the arterial walls. Selenium helps protect the endothelium and the structural components of arteries from oxidative stress. This protection can help maintain the integrity of blood vessels and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, which is the hardening and narrowing of arteries due to plaque buildup. Selenium has been associated with reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor in the development of cardiovascular diseases, including atherosclerosis. By reducing inflammation, selenium can help support arterial health. Selenium is obtained from a variety of dietary sources, including Brazil nuts, seafood, lean meats, whole grains, and eggs. Incorporate tuna, halibut, sardines, shrimp, poultry, lean cuts of beef and pork, whole grain wheat and rice and eggs into your diet. and number 10 is fiber. Dietary fiber, while not a vitamin, is an essential component of a heart-healthy diet. Soluble fiber, in particular, plays a significant role in promoting cardiovascular health, by helping to lower cholesterol levels and improve overall cardiovascular function. Soluble fiber has the ability to bind with cholesterol in the digestive tract, preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. This process can lead to lower levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. High levels of LDL cholesterol are a risk factor for atherosclerosis and heart disease. Dietary fiber, including both soluble and insoluble forms, can help regulate blood pressure. Soluble fiber may have a more pronounced effect in this regard. Lowering blood pressure is essential for maintaining clean and healthy arteries and reducing the risk of heart disease. High-fiber diets are associated with lower levels of inflammation in the body, which is a key contributor to cardiovascular disease. Chronic inflammation can lead to the development and progression of atherosclerosis. A high-fiber diet can help with weight management by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. Maintaining a healthy weight is an important factor in heart health. Dietary fiber is found in a variety of plant-based foods, including whole grains, legumes, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Incorporate foods such as oats, barley, beans, lentils, chickpeas, apples, pears, citrus fruits, carrots, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, almonds, and chia seeds into your diet. To promote cardiovascular health, try to include a variety of high-fiber foods in your diet. Diet plays a significant role in the development of plaque in the arteries and atherosclerosis, which leads to clogged arteries. Saturated and trans fats are found in foods like red meat, full-fat dairy products, fried foods, and some processed and packaged snacks. When consumed in excess, they can raise levels of LDL cholesterol in the blood, commonly referred to as bad cholesterol. Elevated LDL cholesterol can contribute to the formation of plaque in the arteries. Cholesterol is a fatty substance that is found in certain animal-based foods like eggs, organ meats, and shellfish. The body needs some cholesterol for various functions, but consuming an excessive amount of dietary cholesterol can lead to an increase in blood cholesterol levels. Fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are beneficial for heart health. They can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve overall cardiovascular health. To promote heart health and reduce the risk of clogged arteries, it's recommended to follow a heart-healthy diet. Aim for a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables to ensure a wide range of nutrients. Choose whole grains like whole wheat, oats, brown rice, and quinoa instead of refined grains. Opt for lean sources of protein like poultry, fish, beans, and legumes. Include sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil while minimizing saturated and trans fats. Reduce consumption of processed and fast foods, which often contain high levels of unhealthy fats, sodium, and additives. Be mindful of portion sizes to maintain a healthy weight. Limit your sodium intake, as excessive salt consumption can contribute to high blood pressure. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. Making these dietary changes and adopting a heart-healthy lifestyle can reduce your risk of developing clogged arteries and lower your overall risk of heart disease. Here are some of the potential consequences and health problems associated with clogged arteries. The consequences of clogged arteries can be very serious and may include a range of health problems. Clogged arteries in the coronary arteries can reduce blood flow to the heart muscle, leading to chest pain. In severe cases, heart attacks occur when a plaque ruptures, causing a blood clot to block an artery. Clogged arteries in the limbs, such as the legs, can result in reduced blood flow, leading to pain, numbness, and difficulty walking. Severe PAD can even result in tissue damage and amputation. When arteries in the neck, carotid arteries, become clogged, it can increase the risk of strokes. Plaque in these arteries can break off and travel to the brain, causing a blockage or bleeding. Weakened artery walls, often caused by atherosclerosis, can form bulges known as aneurysms. If these bulges rupture, they can lead to life-threatening internal bleeding. Reduced blood flow to the kidneys due to clogged renal arteries can result in kidney damage and dysfunction, leading to chronic kidney disease. Atherosclerosis is a progressive condition that can develop over many years, often without noticeable symptoms until it reaches an advanced stage. Regular checkups and adopting a heart-healthy lifestyle are essential for early detection and management of atherosclerosis to reduce the risk of serious consequences. Preventing or managing clogged arteries often involves lifestyle changes, such as adopting a heart-healthy diet, regular exercise, quitting smoking, and managing conditions like high blood pressure and diabetes. We hope that you found this information helpful, and that it has given you a better understanding of which vitamins play a role in keeping arteries in top health. Please remember that the material in this video is for informational and educational purposes. If you have any medical concerns, please seek medical attention. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. We wish you the greatest health and happiness.